Hi, I'm Michael from Delonghi. On this video I'm going to go through the features and benefits of the Eletta Cappuccino bean-to-cup machine. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to put some fresh water into the water tank and some fresh beans into the beans container. Now I'm going to put the cable in the back and I'm also going to turn it on at the back. That's the first switch. The second switch is on the front on here. Before I press this button, I'm going to place a glass underneath the two spouts. This is because the machine produces a rinse cycle when it turns on and when it turns off, like such. If this is the first time you've switched your machine on, then you will need to use your hot water tap. The machine will need priming. Now, I'm going to place a cup underneath. Don't worry if you hear a loud noise, that's perfectly fine. So I've got water in and I've got my beans in as well. My beans are actually set on a burr grinder. This has got 13 different grind settings from fine to coarse. This can affect our extraction rate of the coffee. In front of that we have a pre-ground funnel. We've got our cup holder, which is also a passive cup warmer. It means whilst the machine is on, this will get warm. So let's go through the buttons on the machine. Starting at the top left, we have our